Welcome to High Level Techie, and this is Jithin here. And today I want to talk to you about an amazing update, especially if you are an agency owner. So let's get to know this feature, which most of the people are not talking enough. So a lot of people are complaining that High Level pushes a lot of features without the consent from the agency owner, and it is kind of affecting their business. So now there is a solution. HighLevel has improved how they ship new features into your sub accounts. So now agency owners have complete control. So let's see how that is possible. So what you have to do is go into your agency account and click on settings. And once you are in settings, click on labs. So you are inside agency labs, not subaccount labs. So go to agency related labs. Then you would see all the features that are yet to be live on accounts, and here this is where you find all the agency related features that you can toggle on if you want to. But then you have a new tab now which is called a sub account. So if you go into this sub account tab, you will find some of the features that are waiting to be released in your sub account. So if you want to provide these features in your sub accounts, what you have to do is go in here and click on manage. By default, it is disabled for all sub accounts. You can toggle that on. You can pick and choose which sub account you want to toggle this on, and then you can provide these new features on those sub accounts. So here is how you can toggle certain features on your sub account. So for example, if you want to offer coupon codes on your calendar, and you can come here and look at payment tab in appointment plus coupon codes. So you go here, click on manage. Then you can see the list of all sub accounts, and then you can pick and choose which sub account you want to select. So if I want to add this feature into one of the sub accounts, I can check this box and then click save, and this will be available for that sub account. So if I want to remove that access, I can simply toggle this off, and then it will be removed from that sub account. So this is how you can control the release of new features into your sub accounts if you are an agency owner. This is a great update. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you.